Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find your Tradingview username and account ID. This is useful for account verification, sharing your profile, or connecting with other traders. Now, let's get started. On your Tradingview dashboard, to get your username and trade account ID, all we need to do is click the profile logo at the top of your dashboard. Once we're here, we just have to click Settings and Billing. Under Public Profile, you can see your username right away. You can also change it if you want. If you want to view your account ID, all you need to do is click Account Settings, and here is your account ID. This will serve as your account ID. If there is no account ID shown here in trading mode, your account ID will be your email. That's how we find our Tradingview username and account ID. With this simple method, we can quickly access our account details whenever we need them.